Sagittarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. You can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Sagittarius. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you, Sagis. Okay. Merong lightning. Control your anger or you will be sorry. Okay. Temper your anger. Older woman, dealings or relationship with an older woman. Okay. You may be in a relationship with an older woman. Okay. You may be dealing with a mother. Okay. There are some concerns or issues about that person. Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. Yes, you may be dealing with someone who is stubborn, okay, agresibo, matapang na tao, okay. Control your anger or you will be sorry. Okay, that's for some of you. Tulip, great passion, okay. Carrot, opportunity or windfall. This is good news, okay? Opportunity or windfall. Abundance, vulture, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. Okay, for some of you, you feel that you are not safe in a situation. Okay. And nagwo-worry kayo doon, you feel depressed. Okay. Tulip, great passion. Let us see ano yung mga messages from the tarot for Sagittarius, please. Sagis, messages, ano yung mga gabay, yung mga paparating for Sagittarius. Energies and messages for Sagis. Sagittarius, please. Okay. You need balance and harmony in your life, maybe in your work. Work-life balance, Sagittarius. You are so busy, and dami ninyong ginagawa, left and right. Okay. Kailangan ng patience, kailangan din ng time management. For some of you, may mga kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan pagdating sa trabaho, okay, mga decisions in life. Yeah, focus on your goals. Focus ka sa target mo. Okay, sa anong gusto ninyong mangyari. Kailangan meron kayong vision. Okay, be confident and be a leader, Sagis. Yeah. New beginnings. New opportunity, exciting career, bagong pagkakaabalahan. Merong growth and potential doon. Yes. Meron kayong or bagong project, okay? You're thinking about expansion as well. You are happy. You feel proud on this project, okay? Meron kayong bagong pagkakaabalahan. Yeah. Yes, and you are going for it. You will be taking action para matupad ito lahat ng mga ginagawa ninyo. Maybe sa trabaho, okay, sa inyong finances. You feel happy, parang wish come true to sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo, malapit nang matapos, okay? Or you feel that way, okay? Na-achievable na siya, okay? Excited ka, you are taking action on this. May mga steps kayong ginagawa, okay? May mga hakbang to make it happen. Yeah. Protect what is yours. Defend yourself. Okay. Kung ano yung create ninyo, defend it. Protect your interests or protect yourself. Kung meron mang mga panggulo, may gumugulo, may mga distraction, okay? Ignore them. Choose your battles wisely. Sagittarius. Yes, you have a lot of strength in you. Okay. Meron kang lakas para ma-achieve yung goal, yung target ninyo. Okay, meron kang kakayahan and capabilities na magawa kahit may hirap na bagay or sitwasyon. You are able to tame it, naayos mo, Sagittarius. For some of you, you are dealing with a Leo. Okay, you are very defensive about this person. Defensive with this person, okay? Merong victory, okay? Merong mental clarity, merong solusyon. May mga naisip kang magandang idea about the situation. Okay? Yes. Merong tutulong, merong partnership. Okay? You will be victorious in this situation. You feel na magkakaroon na ng solusyon ng inyong problema. Okay? Okay? When it comes to this work or itong opportunity na to, na may chance, na may potential to grow, okay, or to expand, you feel victorious about this. Merong partnership. Yeah. Things will be moving forward, okay, because of this partnership. Okay. Magkakaroon na ng galaw, magkakaroon na ng aksyon, magkakaroon na ng resulta. Fortune is on your side, Sagittarius. Okay? Yeah. Kailangan ng strategic planning pang long term, okay? Structure sa work or sa project na yan or sa kung ano man yung ginagawa ninyo, kailangan nyo ng planning, yung pang long term. Okay? Ano yung mga steps, ano yung mga processes, kailangan ma-establish yun bago ma-implement, something like that. Okay? Kailangan maging wise sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Yes, kaperahan. Okay? You are a wise person. You know what you are doing. Okay? You are an experienced person in this field or sa ginagawa ninyo or sa trabaho ninyo. Okay? Confidently accept yung mga opportunities na dumadating sa inyo because you know you can do it. Okay? You have the Midas touch. Yung ginagawa ninyo, nagkakaroon ng magandang resulta. Yes. You've been working hard on this, Sagittarius. Okay. Yung mga may hirap, nagagawa ninyo ng paraan or nabibigyan ng solusyon or ng sagot. Okay. You have to make a decision or you need to also to take, you need to get some advice from a person na may alam regarding sa situation din. Okay, you will be consulting with another person about this. Merong desisyon na gagawin. Okay? Okay. Also, kung anong sa tingin nyo yung mga kailangan gawin, speak it up, speak your mind. Okay. Be logical also in your decision making. Balance your heart and mind in considering a situation. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you are missing your family. Okay, you're thinking about your children. Okay. Or people from your past, relatives, old friends. You will be communicating with them also. Okay. You need to establish harmony in a partnership. Be forgiving, be generous also. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mo rin alalahanin yung mga tao from your past. Or if you are working abroad, you need to get in touch with them. Also, you are looking forward to see them, or you are making a decision about them. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. For some of you, you need a rest or a vacation. Or you're thinking about a vacation. Okay? You are looking forward to it. If you are working abroad or living abroad, you may be thinking or you will be taking a vacation. Okay? And will see your family in your province or in your hometown. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong mga kailangang pagdesisyonan, okay, you need some alone time. Okay? Sometimes yung meditation can give answers sa mga questions or sa mga problema ninyo. Okay? You need some quiet time. Sagis. Okay? Kailangan ng pahinga. Maybe you've been working too hard. Madami kayong iniisip and deserve nyo na makapagpahinga. Okay? I-relax ang inyong isip. You are very determined na maging successful sa inyong ginagawa. You are looking forward for wealth, material wealth. Okay? To share it with your family. Okay? You will be making some decisions about that. Yeah. Partnership. Someone will come to support you or to help you. Okay? To be victorious. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan ng partner para mag-move forward ang inyong ginagawa. Maybe this is a business. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Kung may mga bagay o sitwasyon sa inyong buhay or sa inyong trabaho na parang hindi gumagalaw, ngayon magkakaroon na ng pagbabago, ng movement, okay? Meron ng changes. Yes. Okay? So, there is nothing to worry about. It's just that you need to be wise also and logical. Kailangan mo rin ng planning at system. Okay? Yung pang long term, you need to be also strategic sa inyong ginagawa or sa inyong finances, sa inyong trabaho or project man to. Okay? So, focus and communicate your vision as well with a partner. Okay? Choose your battles wisely kung meron may mga distraction. Okay? Mga panira sa inyong energy or sa inyong ginagawa. Release them. Okay? Choose your battles wisely. Defend yourself. Protect what is yours. Protect what you have created, okay? You are very defensive as well. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you've been working too hard on this, Sagittarius. Kung ano man to, sa work mo to, project, special project, okay? You are also stressed. Okay, kailangan mo din alagaan ang inyong sarili. May mga decision ka, you have to make a choice. Okay? About partnership. Yeah, tinitingnan mo kung ano pang pwedeng i-improve. May magandang resulta ba or may magandang mangyayari. Okay, you are waiting for improvement. Okay? Yes, new exciting endeavor na paparating sa inyo. Okay? Of course, may mga challenges, may problems, but you have to overcome it. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the Spirit for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius. Okay. We see that you are on the brink of a breakthrough that you have patiently been waiting for. A situation is about to come full circle. The lessons have been learned. This is a win-win situation for you. Trust that we are working behind the scenes to ensure the best outcome for you. Wow. Okay. You are on the brink of a breakthrough. Let's see ano pa yung message from the angel number card for Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius. Sagittarius. We have number 9. If you keep seeing the number 9, this is the message for you. It is your compassion that makes you shine. You are devoted to helping the greater good and have a strong talent for speaking up for others. Your soul is most satisfied when you are being of service. Yes, I am compassionate. So you are compassionate, Sagittarius. Your soul is most satisfied when you are being of service. Nice. Okay, so these are the messages for you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.